Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and preparing your search geometry. Do that now. Once logged in, go to the dashboard and choose Search so you can enter bounding coordinates or upload a KML. Make sure you pick the correct mission, Sentinel-1, -2, or -3, because that determines available products. While you're here, set a sensible date range and cloud cover limit. This narrows results and speeds downloads. Next, refine results to the precise scenes you need. Adjust cloud cover, product type, and acquisition mode. These filters cut irrelevant items. Once done, use the map previews to inspect footprints and thumbnails so you can confirm coverage and image quality. Make sure to open the product metadata pane to check sensing time, processing level, and footprint overlap. That helps avoid duplicate or partial scenes. When satisfied, select products for download. Finally, download selected products using the Download button or the bulk API for many files. If you use the API, authenticate with your username and password and run small batches first to confirm workflow. After download, validate files by opening the manifest or metadata and unzipping safely. If a transfer fails or times out, retry the same items in smaller batches and check your account's daily limits. Persistence and smaller requests.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.